And we're live. Good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in sunny Cheshire. The SimplyDiag .net Community Hub. It's not bright and it's not sunny. I rather optimistically came to work in shorts and flip-flops. That may have been a mistake. So, why am I working on a Saturday? Well, short answer is I'm not really. I've just come down. This is like my potting shed at weekend. Just come for a bit of peace and quiet. Come do a bit of cleaning up and drink a bit of coffee. Number 9, of course. And listen to a bit of music, watch the podcast, something like that. And yeah, so it's Saturday's chill day. Yeah, we don't fix cars on Saturdays. Hey, up morning, Nath. No, I haven't, mate. No, I haven't. I've got to drive later, so no rum in that this morning, mate. I've been here now for a couple of hours, and but what I've decided to do, Anthony Webb prompted this. He said, "Is the Zoom on?" Well, not normally on a Saturday. It's normally 8 till 2, Monday to Friday. Morning, Andy. How are you? But the Zoom is now on today, so let's show you. The Zoom's now live for our members, for our subscribing members. We've got three camera angles running in the hub, and yeah, it's tidy up time. The wind's brought a few leaves in. Morning, Ricochet. Morning, Richard. So yeah, tidy up time. Obviously, I've not been here for a few weeks now, so it's yeah, we need to get the place cleaned up and that. We've got a couple of ride-alongs next week. And morning, Martin. We had Phil C, one of our SimplyDiag Network specialists, Land Rover specialist. He popped over yesterday. We had a little play with process on this Audi. So yeah, it was a good day. So a bit of tidying up to do today. A bit of pottering, nothing much. And we'll see where that takes us. Morning, Ahmed. How are you, mate? Yeah. So if you've got a valid subscription, feel free to jump into the Zoom this morning. You can watch me cleaning up the community hub, ready for next week's ride-alongs. So yeah, whatever you're doing today, have an awesome day. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday to you. If it was your birthday yesterday on Chippy Friday and I missed it, happy birthday for yesterday. Hope you had a really, really good Chippy Friday. And if it's your birthday tomorrow on Sunday, go for it. Roast dinner. It's the future. Anyway, have an awesome Saturday. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Morning, Kevin. Morning, Jonathan. Everybody's coming in now. I'm going. Have an awesome weekend, folks. Thanks for watching.